Hi everyone, my name is Anastasia Valimaki and I'm your Miss Homestead 2020. I'm here to help you gear up for STEM. Today's experiment is all about how you can walk on water. So let's get our science gear on. Alright, so what you're going to need is a bucket, some cornstarch, and water. The first thing you're going to do is put your cornstarch in the bucket and then slowly add water. You're going to want to get a consistency of pancake batter, and then you're going to mix it so that it's homogeneous or even all throughout. While you're mixing, I'm going to take some time to tell you about what Gear Up for STEM is really for. The focus of Gear Up for STEM is to promote diversity in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics by ensuring all students have the resources and encouragement to succeed. It's all about providing the opportunity to explore STEM fields and by showing that science doesn't have to be scary, it can be fun too. Diversity in STEM is vital for scientific progress because without it, that means less innovation and less problem solving. It's important that problems are addressed with multiple perspectives in mind so that unique solutions can be found. As a biomedical engineer, I value diversity in STEM and have seen firsthand how important it is to have different perspectives on a team. But as a female in STEM, I have also experienced the discouragement that many underrepresented groups face in the field. My first-year college advisor told me I wouldn't make it into the upper division of the biomedical engineering program, and that I should reconsider pursuing a degree in engineering. But I graduated with my degree in biomedical engineering with honors in just 3 years, and then my master's in just 1 more. I was able to prove my advisor wrong, and I know there are many students out there who would excel in STEM if given the chance to do so. That's why I'm so passionate about Gear Up for STEM. So now that you have your cornstarch and water all mixed up, you should have this kind of consistency. It's very fluid, it's like a liquid. Your hand goes right in it and then comes right out. But when you go to punch it, wow, it's a solid. Definitely a solid. So which is it, a solid or a liquid? Well, let's explain more. So what you're seeing is that the cornstarch and water mixture is actually behaving like a non-Newtonian fluid, whereas water would be a Newtonian fluid. And what does that really mean? Well, water doesn't change its viscosity or thickness no matter how much you punch it or slosh it around. It always feels the same. But with the cornstarch and water, you can dip your hand in it and it feel like a fluid, and then you can punch it and it behaves like a solid. So the reason why cornstarch and water is able to do this is because the molecules between this cornstarch and the water are strongly bonded together. And so when you apply a really strong force, like punching, to the surface of the liquid, it's going to react more like a solid. And the molecules are so tightly bound that they just can't move. The reason why this is possible is because at really high shear forces, the rate of deformity of the cornstarch and water mixture is actually lower than that of just water. And that means that it can't move or bend as much or as quickly as water could at the same forces. So now you can show your friends that you can walk on water, or more accurately, run. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more, please visit www.gearupforstem.com. And if you want to see some on Instagram, you can follow the @MissHomesteadFL account. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon.